Welcome back, guys. This video is for you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought, why doesn't your woman ever start intimacy with you in the bedroom? You're sitting there like, it's always me. Here's the truth. Your woman can initiate, but only if she feels a very specific way with you. Once you understand this, she'll start surprising you. Quick thing, hit subscribe because I share the truth about relationship most men never hear directly. Desire is about feeling, not logic. You're like a light switch, but your woman, she's a dimmer switch. It takes time, atmosphere, and the right feeling. Her desire isn't about logic. It's not, he's tall, he has a good job, check, check. It's about how she feels next to you. When she thinks, my man is confident, strong, he can handle life, and he can handle me, that's when she wants to initiate. And so now I'm gonna break it down for you. But the first thing you have to understand, safety is sexy. Most guys miss this. Your woman won't initiate if she doesn't feel safe. Let's talk about emotional safety. She must know you won't explode with jealousy, pressure her into intimacy when she's not ready, be passive aggressive or cold, and the physical safety. She must know her body is safe around you. If you raise your voice, drink too much, smoke weed, or sit glued to porn, she won't feel attractive next to you, and she will not feel safe. If you will yell at her or worse, raise your hands, she will feel danger and desire dies instantly. There's also financial safety. She must feel you can handle life. If you're stuck on a part-time job or unloading a lot of your fears, complaints, and dissatisfaction about income, money, job situation, or you worry that you're gonna get fired or anything like that, she also not gonna feel safe with you. So you gotta keep in mind that women are very skittish in nature. And if you are sharing your problems or complaining about anything in life, in the background, subconsciously, she starts to lose the sense of safety next to you. So find guy friends, coach, therapist, mentor, your brother or your father to vent or unload your problems, your fears, or uncertainty in life. But keep it away from a woman, because to a woman, you are a role model. You're always above her subconsciously. If she looks up to you, that you're someone that can solve problems, that you solve your own problems and it even can solve her problems, to her it's sexy. It talks about confidence, that you can handle yourself and you can handle her. And with that kind of a man, she feels at ease, relaxed, and most importantly, she starts to have desire to have intimacy. And so this is so critical for you to overcome your challenges in life, whether your fears, whether your financial problems, or any other problems that you have. And as you're conquering those problems, she feels that, wow, I can be with this guy. I can trust him because he can protect me. He can help me. He can provide for me. If she feels like she has to carry it all, she won't feel sexy with you. Think about it this way. If she is stressing about bills while you're stressing about Xbox score, guess which one gets her attention? You get it? Now, confidence is just as sexy as safety. Confidence says, I can handle life. I can handle problems. I can handle you. Confident men don't collapse. They fix things. High-value men are confident because they conquered their own battles. Not all, but most of them. And your woman feels that. That confidence tells her, I can finally relax. He got this. And that's when she initiates, not out of obligation, but out of pure desire. Here's the killer of attraction: unloading your problems on her. A lot of men think if I'll share everything, she'll feel closer. But your woman doesn't want to be your therapist. If you complain, vent, or dump your burdens on her, she stops feeling safe, and with that, the desire disappears. Share your problems with your brothers, father, your mentor, your coach, your therapist. With your woman, show confidence. That's what keeps attraction alive. Now, let me share what high-value men do, what my husband does. High-value men lead, provide, and protect. If your woman has to beg you to plan a vacation so she can recharge, her desire dries up. If she has to beg you to help with kids or bills, she will not initiate intimacy. She doesn't want another child to babysit. She wants a man who has her back. When you take burdens off her shoulders, she naturally gives more of herself to you. That's the way women are wired. If she's happy, she'll give you all her happiness. And also, your woman must also feel appreciated. She can feel safe and even respect you, but if she doesn't feel valued, she won't give herself fully. Your woman blooms when she feels noticed. Tell her how beautiful she is in that dress, how much you love her. Thank her for what she does for you and your family. Notice the details, the effort she puts in. If your woman feels invisible, her desire fades away. But if she feels seen and valued, she lights up and she becomes more generous with you, including intimacy. Now, finally, the biggest one. Your woman needs emotional connection to you. You guys connect through sex, but women connect through emotion. That's why you think, we had a great sex, so we are close now. She's thinking, he listened, he saw me, he understood me. That's why I feel close. If you only connect through sex, you'll lose her because your woman needs to feel emotional safety and bonded before she craves intimacy. How do you build that? Ask her how she feels and actually listen. Every day when you come back and had dinner, share your dreams and your visions so she will feel included. And keep asking her how she feels, how was her day, what's going on in her life. That's how she feels emotional connection. Listen and tune to her empathically so that she feels that you care and that you're there for her. So if you want your woman to initiate, give her safety, confidence, and emotional connection. When your woman feels those things, she doesn't just say yes. She's the one pulling you closer. If this helped, drop a comment and subscribe, because next week I'll share what turns her off faster than bad sex. You don't want to miss it.